ginagawa pa nila yung ano, yung torre. Hindi pa siya tapos, parang yung nasa Barcelona. Hindi ko alam kung open siya. Kasi ngayon is Monday. Yan. The cathedral is open. So it's open, yeah. Maybe.
Ayan, no?
Ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, meron sila yung shop ng beers. Mahilig kasi talaga sila sa mga beers. Look. Katulad dun sa isa naming vlog, marami din mga beers. And then of course, yung tsokolate. Anywhere, mahilig sila sa mga tsokolate. And then different kinds of beers. Marami silang different kinds of beers.
Look, chocolates! Hello! Chocolates! I will pick them!
Beer house. Beer house. Come on, chicas, vámonos. I want this color.
Horse, I got the horse. Here you go. Up. Go on up. Here. Oh, Mom. Wow. Let's become wild horse.
Ito yung tinatawag nilang the square. Diba? Ganda. More restaurants. Yan. Ang ganda. Meron silang menu box. Yan. Yan. Yung kita nyo yung mga struktura ng mga buildings, parang struktura ng mga castle. Mahilig sila. Almost the same. Look. Ang ganda dito guys. Oh.
Water.
Minute water, eh? Yeah.
Ito yung probinsya ng Antwerp guys. Ang capital niya is Antwerp din. So yan yung capital nila. Kung nakikita nyo yung maraming bandera, Antwerp. Look guys, yung laki ng Ferris wheel nila.
I want to go there.
Yan. Punta tayo doon sa may bridge. Yes.
Mommy, are you scared of heights?
Yes, I am.
You don't want to go there.
No, of course not.
And I want to go there.
Mall. Yun, meron silang
I want to go there.
so expensive.
Yeah.
So tienes dinero. Yun no ay. Muy caro.
Oh, Mario, he wants to play this one.
Hmm?
He wants to play this one.
Okay, we have to wait. We're going to the bridge.
I want to go there. Look.
Ayan guys, ang ganda oh. Ang taas.
Go there. Where? No, here first. Here first. Here first. Here first. I want to go there.
Ang ganda ng view. The view Antwerp.
Let's go
Hundred.
there first. Let's. Whoa, it's so big. Nice stuff. I want to go there.
To go there. Let's her go. Karang kita katawan.
Maria, this one is yes, zero.
Hindi ko na ano bridge ah.
Yan guys oh. Tapos dito sa may gilid na ito, yan pwede kang ano mag-boating. Yan. At saka doon sa bandarong guys, mayroon silang ano windmill. Oh, di ba? Dito sa gilid naman na ito, yan, pwede kang ano mag-picnic diyan, no. Yan, ang luwang na ito, oh. Yan.
Hi, money.
Ang taas tong Ferris wheel talaga nila, oh. Ayan guys. Oh, di ba? So yun. Sasakay daw sila ng ano, Ferris wheel. Ayan.
Two kids and one adult, please. Ay! Two kids and one adult, please. Yes.
Vamos, papi.
No, los
You
tres.
go.
Ya los tres.
Okay. Ang isa, pag bata is ano, thank you, 5 euro. Pagka adult is 8 euro. So, since masyadong mahal, kami na lang muna. Kasi itong dalawang to gustong sumakay. Okay, let's go guys.
Yan. Sakay na sila. Ayan, no. Ayun.
Okay guys, dito na kami. Pumunta na kami sa taas.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Well,
Hello.
hi.
It's too high. Who's afraid with the heights?
I'm not afraid.
Oh, they're not afraid with the heights.
Yes.
Yan.
I can see.
Taas.
Ooh, so high. Yes, so high.
It's a Ferris
But we
wheel.
stopped
Oh, we stop a little bit.
because someone is gonna.
I'm scared. No.
You're scared, so you don't go. I will look if it's
Don't move. Just sit down.
Be careful, and then when
You
you're
will
done,
fall.
and then you're going to go,
Yeah.
and then going to be blown.
Yan guys. Kita natin
So
dun sa
guys,
taas.
we can see all the world, and we stop. Daddy. Hello, Daddy. He can't see you.
Sit down.
He can't see you. Hello, Daddy. He can't see you.
Yan. Doon sa labas.
Nandito na kita, lawa.
Oh, na-stop na tayo dito? Wala na bang ano? Ah, okay.
We're going
We're
further.
going.
We're going to upper.
Just,
He don't know where's us. He don't know where's us.
yan. Ninenervous ako dito sa taas. It is my first time kasi na magsakay
Me
dito sa ano,
too. And me too.
sa Ferris wheel.
It's,
Ayan.
it's my first time to go in the French wheel.
Ayan, guys.
Wow! I can see all the houses.
Parang
Oh,
ayoko
hello, houses. We can
mag-move.
see you from so high.
Ayan.
Oh, this
Oh
is
my
good.
God, yan, yung-
Daddy think he don't like it.
Don't move, ah. Stop moving. I'm so scared now. Really, I'm so scared now.
Are you scared now?
Yes, I am. So stop moving, please.
Whoa.
Don't move, please. I'm telling you. I'm so scared.
Na, 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 na.
Chicas, chicas. Don't move, please.
Oh,
It's
no.
it's very dangerous out there.
Oh, we're falling.
Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Yan guys.
So guys,
Yan. Dito tayo sa kabila.
oh no, we are stuck. Oh,
Parang nakakatakot naman siya. Yan.
no. Why? How are we going to do that?
You have to wait. Because
Aw.
maybe someone will get in.
Yes. Let's go down, guys.
No, we still have a little bit more round.
More round and round.
Maybe one more round or two more.
Or 100 more. Forever. But how? How are we going down? We're stuck and we're going to fall. It's so dangerous.
Okay, ito lang muna guys. At least nakita natin sa taas.
Yan, bumaba na sila. Enjoy?
Yeah. And now we're going to do the chicken.
Enjoy?
And here you go. It's only 5 rounds. Hello. It's only 5 rounds.
Ah?
It's only
Nervous magandi nga
It's
to.
only 5 rounds. It's only 5 ronda.
5 ronda.
Kaya mo.
Ooh.
Hindi ka sama lalapos tikot. Mahal. Ito sale na siya. Kasama yung nakalagay na ganyan sale.
This one is
Ilang-
2.
Ito isa nilang ano, yung diamond. Anong tawag doon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Famous sila sa diamond.
9, 10.
Kaya makikita mo.
And now,
Hintayon.
Pero walang presyo ah.
1, 2, 3. I don't care.
Yun guys, yun yung isang na naman naming araw dito sa Antwerp. Antwerp. So pauwi na kami, dito na kami sa train station. So lahat na pagod. So yun guys, ang sana naman naming buong araw na pagtutour sa city ng Antwerp. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye! Marami pa po tayong mapapasyalan. So, adios! Kita-kits sa susunod na vlog. Adios!